we go ahead?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So before we go ahead, there are some questions which I want you to answer. Okay. You can come onto the whiteboard.
I'm on the whiteboard.
Oh yeah. So, do you know what is a leap year and how they are formed?
Leap year comes every 4 years.
Yeah. Okay. Like, how do you find if a given year is a leap year or not?
If there's one more day in February.
No. I mean, like, you are given a year, like 2004. So, is it a leap year or not?
If it could be divisible by 4.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead.
That's good. So 24, 5.
5?
No, like right now. I'm doing that. So 21. So
Oh,
20
you're doing the
plus.
division. Okay. So, if a number is divisible by 4, it's a leap year. Am I right? That's what you're telling.
Yeah.
Okay. So, that is condition 1 for leap year. Same thing for a non-leap year. If a number, let's say 2021, this year, is not divisible by 4.
Then that's not a leap year.
Yeah. So this is the first condition. Okay.
Okay.
Now we have another condition. Let's go to non-leap year itself. Just give me.
Wait, could I write this down?
Yeah, sure. You can write it down, or you can listen to me and you can download it. It's up to you.
I'm gonna write it down.
Okay. It's your choice.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the first condition. Now let's go to the next one. Okay. Okay. So if you have a number, yeah, let's go to the leap year itself because that will be better. If that particular year is divisible by 400, then it's a leap year. Okay. So yeah, I'll write some examples also.
Hey, can I get an eraser?
Yeah, sure.
Is it like even if you divided this by 4, it would still be the same?
Yeah, that's a difference. That's what I'm going to tell the next point. So you're done up to
Yeah.
this. So we have a small difference here. If it is divisible by 4, like in the first case, but still it is divisible by 100, then it is not a leap year. For example, like what to say, like 2100,
Yeah.
900. So these are not leap years.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So you can take a picture of it. Like this is all about leap years. Done.
Yeah.
Now, what can we do? So I think you know the number of days with leap years, right? I think you have no doubt with that. Yeah.
361, right? I don't,
361.
I don't remember.
How many days are there in a year? First tell me that.
In a 20.
In a normal year.
I don't remember much. It's like,
If you don't remember that, 365. And in a leap year, 366. Okay.
okay.
Now I am going to introduce to a very new concept and a very, 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 very to the power of infinite, very, very important concept. It is called odd days. So only if you understand this concept, you'll be able to learn. I mean, you'll be able to find the number of, days from the date. Okay. So this is very important.
Okay.
So we'll start with the leap year and non-leap year, number of days in the non-leap year and leap year. Then we'll go into like detail of what is this all about. Okay. So regarding odd days, um, can you divide 365
Well,
by 7? And I want what is the remainder alone. The quotient is not important. I want what is the remainder. Can you do it? Do it slowly. It's not like you have to do it immediately and tell me. Just do it and can you tell me? Like use your pen and paper. That's fine. I just want the remainder.
it's like 1,
Wait. I'll just push it up. Just give me a second.
1.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. You're telling the answer 1.
Remainder.
Remainder is 1. Correct?
Yeah.
So in a non-leap year, the number of odd days is 1. Okay.
Yeah.
So what are odd days is when you divide this particular number by 7, like whatever number I'm going to tell you like here on, whatever you get as remainder is the number of odd days. Do you get it?
Okay.
So odd numbers for a non-leap year is 1. Are you okay with this part?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'll just complete it for you just so that you'll be able to remember it. Yeah. Same way for 366. What can it be?
The
The
remainder
remainder.
2.
You're sure the remainder is 2 because for when it is 1 for 365 for 366 it should be 2. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay. So now I'll make up a table for this because we have to remember a lot of
So
things.
for non-year, the odd days 1, and for leap year,
Yeah.
the odd days 2.
Yes, exactly. So I'll put up a table.
Okay.
So for a non-leap year, it's 1. For a leap year, it's 2. Yeah? Okay up to
Yeah.
this part?
Yeah.
Now let's get back to our lessons. So, we have done with non-leap year, leap year and odd days. Okay? So next we are going to something very, 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 very tricky. Okay. So we are still going to discuss this odd days for different things. So since leap and non-leap year is done, we are going to do it for 100 years. Yeah.
Okay.
So you'll understand why we are doing for 100 years when we do the problem. Okay.
Okay.
So for 100 years, actually there's a big calculation. Do you want the calculation or do you want just the number of odd days?
What do you mean by like a calculation?
Like, okay, I'll tell you the answer first. So for 100 years, it's 5 odd days. So do you want me to tell you how did we get 5 odd days? Or is it okay if we just go to the next part?
Can you tell me so I don't get confused?
Can you repeat?
Can you like tell me so I don't get confused?
Okay, I will start telling. If you feel like it's confusing, you can tell me to stop. We'll just go to the next part. Is that fine?
Okay.
So, first thing you have to find out how many leap years. Oh, wait. How many leap years are there in 100 years? Can you tell me that?
4 divided by 100. No, I divided by 4.
Okay, 100 divided by 4 will you get 25. Yeah. But this 100 is not included. So you subtract 1. So you have 24 leap years.
Yeah.
Why? Because we already discussed leap year. Like when it is divisible by 100, it is not a leap year. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
So we have 24 leap years. So how many non-leap years will be there? Do we have 76? Because when you add both, will you get 100? Correct?
Yeah.
So these are leap. These are non-leap. So are you okay up to this part? If you're okay up to this part, next part is a little easy. Can you tell me how many odd days will be there in non-leap years? This one. Here. We just did it a few minutes ago.
Okay. So a normal year has 1.
Yeah. So how many odd days will be there in 76 non-leap years?
76.
Yeah, correct. So I'll just write it like this just for you to remember. So 76 years will have 1 odd day per year. So you have 76 odd days. Do you agree to it? Yeah. Now let's get to leap years. So do you remember how many odd days does a leap year have?
2.
Very good. So we have to do 24 times 2 odd days,
Which is 8.
which adds up to 48 odd days, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So in 100 years, you have 76 plus 48. So what is 76 plus 48? Can you tell me?
Not sure.
Try. If you're getting it wrong, it's not a problem.
Number 24.
124, right? So you're supposed to get 124 odd days for 100 years. Correct?
Yeah.
But the thing with odd days is, odd days are always mentioned from 0 to 6 only. Okay, I will tell you why later on. So let's find out what is the odd days for 124. So you have to divide it by 7 and find the remainder. So can you tell me what is the remainder when you divide 124 by 7?
Mm. 124.
One help you can tell me, because this is not the important part. So you can just tell me if you need any help.
5 odd days.
Yeah, so you got 5, right? I told you earlier, remember that? 5 odd days. So this is
Yeah.
how we find how many odd days are there in 100 years. Are you okay for this part? Like, do you understand that? You can take a snapshot of this
So
100
100
days.
years has 5 odd days.
Yeah, you can note that down. I mean, you can take a snapshot so that I'll take to the next page. Done?
Yeah.
Yeah. So just give it a minute. We'll start the next one, because if we keep continuously doing it, you're going to get confused. Am I right?
Yeah. Mm.
Yeah. So now we are going to do the next year's is 200 years. So here again, I
I
guess.
think that would be 10 days. 10
Oh,
odd
superb.
days.
You are actually right. So let me get to the. Let me clear the board, because I cannot delete it. Then the table will go right. Just give me a minute. So according to Shriyan. Oh wait, let me put 100 over there. Let 100 be there. 200 years has 10 odd days. But Shriyan should tell me what should I do, because 10 odd days is not the correct answer, right? Because odd days should be from 0 to 6 only.
You divide it
So
by
7.
7.
So what will you get when you divide it by 7?
3.
So 200 years has 3 odd days. So is it easy now? Like,
Yeah.
are you able to understand?
Yeah.
Good. So now let's go to 300. Don't worry, it's like here on it will be a little easy because you have understood the concept. So how many odd days will be there in 300 years?
It would be 15, so there would be 1 odd day.
Wow, 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 wow. So that's a lot quicker. So 1 odd day. Okay. Now we are going to do something important, which is 400 years. So do you remember, like, once, I mean, the beginning we discussed about leap years. So we discussed that 400
Is
is
a
a
leap
leap year. So if you want the explanation, it is here. So how many odd days will be there in 400 years?
2.
And no, we had like 5, 100 for if it's 5 for 100, for 400 it must be like 4 times 5, right? 20.
Or 20.
And 400 itself is a leap year, so it is 21 odd days.
Which is.
Which, when you divide by 7, what is your remainder?
3.
That's a quotient. I'm asking the remainder.
0.
Okay. So if you want, you can take a snapshot of it. Anyway, I'm going to write it again in that tabular column, because that is more important. Yeah. So I'll put it up over here. Just give me a second. Let me draw the line. So you have 100, 200, 300, and 400. $200 years, 300 years, 400 years. So this is like 3, this is 1, this is 0. So am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now you can take a snapshot of this because this is like way important. I think I've taken already, right?
Yeah.
Have you taken for the previous part, like the one which I wrote over there? That one do you want, or
Yeah.
is this fine? I guess this is fine, right?
Yeah.
Now here you have actually doing for years. Am I right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Now we'll do for months. Okay. So are
Okay.
you okay up to this part? Did you understand what is going on? So don't think that it is very difficult because this is the basics. So based on this only you'll do the problem. So once you understand this, you will be able to do the problem like very quickly. Like doing the problem is easy, but first you must understand how to do, right? So that is what happening now. Okay.
Okay.
Hello, Shriyan, you there? Shriyan, what happened?
I
Yeah.
I don't know. I think I closed this on accident.
Okay, that's fine. So let's continue. Now we'll do for months. Okay. So this will be a little easy because you have understood what a odd is. Am I right?
Yeah.
So I assume that you have understood. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, just give me a second. Let me draw this line properly. Okay, so is the box looking straight? Yeah, that's fine. Forget about the box now. So I need 12 months. So here it should be 3 here, 3 here, 3 here, and 3 here. Okay. Okay. So before we write the months, do you know how many days are there in each month? Do you know that? Do you remember that trick?
Like this.
Yeah, do you remember that?
Kind of. Yeah. It's like
Hmm.
31, 30, 28,
Okay.
31.
Okay.
Then it's
So can
also
you tell me the months which have 31 days?
January, March,
January,
May,
March, May,
July,
July,
August,
August,
October,
October,
December.
December. Okay, so we'll do for
Like,
these
can
guys
I write
first.
this down?
What happened?
Can I write this down?
Oh yeah, you can write it or you can take a screenshot also. Yeah. So before we go ahead, just a small question. Do you know how to, like you're telling that each month have 31 days, correct? So can you tell me how many odd days are there?
Uh, mm, wait,
Tell me how to find it out first. I
we
know you
did
remember that.
31 divided by 7.
And find what is the remainder, right?
So
So can you tell
sometimes
me?
3 is 21.
Okay.
So it's
You have to
10.
go for 7 times. No, you have to go for 7 times 4.
Yeah. So it's
28.
like 28 and we're going for 10. So it's 2, 3.
Yes, it's 3. So these months have 3 odd days. Okay, done. Oh
Yeah.
yeah, you're noting it down, right? Oh yeah, you continue doing that.
Okay, I'm done with down.
Good. If you're done, can you tell me the months which have 30 days, 30 days?
Okay. Um, uh, I don't really remember that much.
Okay, that's fine, not an issue. So let me do it like this. After Jan, Feb you have 28, so we'll leave that. So after
Okay,
March, what do you have? Just
February,
tell me the other months. Tell me all the months which we didn't write, so they'll definitely have 30 days,
February,
except for Feb, because Feb has 28, right? So you have April, May, then
June,
yeah, June. Yeah, you already have July, August, then September,
September, then November.
September, and November. So these months have 30 days.
I could like write them all down
Yeah, yeah,
from
go
my
ahead, keep doing
memory.
it. So just tell me how many odd days will be there when a month has 30 days.
2,
2, very good. Did you do the calculation or did you tell from like when it was 31 you had 3, so when you have 38 you have 2. Yeah?
I did the calculation.
Oh, that was quick. Very good.
February would have 0.
You have done that also. So let me write on February alone because that's the only one remaining now. So February has 0 odd days. Yeah. So you can either like copy it down or take a screenshot so that you can remove this. Yes.
Yeah, I'm writing it down.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so 3, 0, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay. So I guess we have done the odd days for. I mean, oh, you're still writing. Have you finished it?
Yeah, I'm finished.
Okay. So we did the odd days for years. Oh, I missed this one. Okay. Years we calculated for 100, 200, 300, and 400 years, like non-leap year, leap year, and the hundreds. And then we did it for months. Now let's get to the lesson. So do you remember the date which was asked in the question? Or you can, yeah, let's open that question. Yeah, let me see the date given. Or was that the assessment?
Yeah. I
Or
think it's the assessment. Those this is those like the chapters.
yeah, yeah, I got it. What
The chapter.
day was 4/1 2020? Yeah, so if 3/13 this thing was a Friday, what day was 4/20? Yeah. So let's put this thing on the whiteboard, the date. So if 3/13/20, so we don't need this one actually.
What this
What
is?
day?
But this is the
Yeah.
fourth month, the first day. And
Yeah. I was about to tell the next thing that. So this is the month, date, and year format. So I will write it in the form which is comfortable for you first,
No, I
which
actually
is
understand this form now.
ah, which is comfortable is very important. So you have 01, 04,
No, I mean, like, I
20.
understand this form now. That's how I used to do this form.
Okay. So you want in this form itself, like what's given in the question?
Yeah,
Okay. So let me write it like this itself.
because that's normally what like I see, so it's more easier for me now.
Okay, fine. It's your choice. You got to tell me that, like, right, what you did right now, which is correct. So I'll just write the format also above. So it's month, date, and year. So this is the format. Okay.
Okay,
So to find the odd days, first we have to start from the year. Mm-hmm.
so year is a leap year.
2020. Is it a leap year? Are you sure? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So this 2020 can be divided into 2000 plus 20. Yeah. So is 2000, like, which category do we get 2000? Do you remember the box which we did? So it comes under the divisible of 400. Like, as you told, it's a leap year. Agreed. So wait, I'm a little confused with this.
400 is divisible by 2000, but 4 is.
Yeah, 400 is divisible by 200. It's a leap year only. I'm a little confused with one point. Just give me 1 second. 2020 is a leap year, so the number of odd days must be. Okay, so let's go ahead. I am thoroughly okay. Let's go ahead with this method and see if you're getting the answer, because I am a little confused over here. Okay, so since it's a leap year, like how many? Oh yeah, I got it.
Okay.
So for 2000 years, so you have to calculate for 2000 years and 20 years. Okay. So for 2000 years, how many odd days did we take? Like if it's like it's a multiple of 400, right? 400 times 5. So for 400, we had 0 odd days. Am I right?
Yeah, meter is
So that's
for 20. We
yeah.
don't
For
have
20,
any.
we have to check how many odd days do you have for 20?
4 times 5.
No. Odd days.
0.
0. Like you have to divide 20 by 7. Am I right?
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Oh wait. No. That's not right.
6.
So for wait. I forgot one part. So for 20 years, so forget this 2000 no, because 2000 is 0. Just forget 20. I mean forget 2000. For 20 years, how many years you have leap years and how many years you have non-leap years?
I have 5 leap years.
So 20, like we'll be having like 2000, like yeah, 2004, 2008,
15 non-leaps year.
2016, 2020. Yeah, you're correct. But there's a small change over here, Shriyan. Can you tell me why? I mean, what actually? Because leap year comes in February. The date we have taken is Jan. So the last year will not be there. 20 will not be there. So you have 4 leap years and not 16, 15 non-leap years. Are you getting what I'm telling? The 2020 February is not complete. Are you confused or?
Kinda.
Oh, sorry. You're taking 4th month, right? Literally sorry. Yeah. So what you did is correct. You have 5 leap years and I forgot this like format is changed. No, I am talking according to my format. Yeah.
Hmm.
So 5 leap and 15 non leap. So how many odd days will 15 non leap years have? 15. And how many odd days will 5 leap years have?
Okay. So for 15, they would be.
No, no, no. Like first we'll do this like total number of days. So for 15 it's 15 times 1, and for leap it's 5 times 2, it's 10. Am I right?
Yeah.
So you have totally 25 days. For 25 odd days. So 25 odd days, if you divide it by 7, what will you get?
4.
Yeah, you're correct. So this year has 4 odd days. Hope I'm correct. Okay. So once you complete the year part, you can just download it because I'm going to just erase that calculation part on the right side. Done?
Yeah.
Okay. So once you complete the year part, we have to move to the month part. Yes. So you should not count the last month. Oh yeah, we'll count that also, not a problem. We'll do it. So here we are dealing with 4 months. Am I right? Yes.
Yeah.
Which is January, February,
May, March,
March,
and April.
April. So let's start with April. How many odd days are there in April? Or like how many days are given in the question? 1, right? The date. This one.
Mhm.
So you can write the date directly for April. Can you tell me what are the odd days for the other months? Jan, Feb, and March.
For January, it's 3,
Very good. For Feb,
0,
okay.
then 3 again.
3 again. Okay. So let's add them up. So what do you get? 3 plus 3 plus 1 gives you
7.
7. So it's literally 0. Yeah. So this month has only 4 odd days. So now going to what are these odd days? Like we have been talking about odd days for quite a long time, correct?
Wait, what?
First we
Wait, what? So I did, it was 7, but you wrote 0 point.
I mean I wrote 0. I'll tell you why. Now I'll tell you what are odd days. So all this time we were discussing odd days, odd days, odd days. I'll show you what are odd days now.
Wait,
So yeah. So when you divide, okay, you had 7. When you divide by 7, what do you get as a remainder?
yeah. Just,
So that's how you get 0 odd days, okay? So this
yeah,
concept of odd days is, Shriyan, when you divide by 7, you get 0. So that day is considered as a Sunday, the 0th day, okay? Then what comes 1 is a Monday. What is 2 is Tuesday. 3 is Thursday. 4 is Friday. 5 is Saturday. And 6 is Sunday. Yeah?
well, 60. What thing it comes? What is Wednesday?
Oh, did we miss Wednesday? Just give me a second. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Oh, how did I miss that? Oh, that's bad. Real bad. Yeah, so 3 is Wednesday. Wednesday. 4 is Thursday. 5 is Friday. And 6 is Saturday. Yeah. Okay, so now actually we got 4. But I think we went wrong somewhere because the actual answer is 3.
I'm done writing it.
Okay, so I think see the actual answer is 3. I think we missed some calculation in this year part. Okay, so actual answer is 3. So we'll try that again. But now, did you understand the concept of everything? Like how did we find the number of days?
Mhm.
So Shriyan must be wondering. Oh, Maybe I want to ask this one. It's so complicated, is it? So did you understand the concept of odd days, the leap year, 100
Yeah.
years, everything? Yeah. So
Yeah.
don't worry, we'll do it again. Actual answer is 3 odd days, like the final answer for this particular date. Let's check it out again. I mean, let's just work it out in next class, because there might be some small tweaking, which if we do again, like we are going to like go crazy. Yeah. So if you understand this, you
Okay.
can just make a note of it. We'll move to the next topic. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So what I explained up to this part was correct. So you have you have to divide it into 2000 years and 20 years. So 2000 years is 400 times 5, which we know it's 0 odd days into 5. So this part you get 0 odd days, correct?
Yeah.
So that's not a problem. We just leave it. But when we come to 20 years, the problem is 2020 is not complete. This year is not complete. You are only come up to this 4 months, correct?
Yeah.
So you cannot consider 2000, the year 2000. You have to consider 2019.
Okay.
Okay, that's the only change which happens here. So in 2019, I think you will have 4 leap years and how many normal years? 15. Yeah.
Yeah.
So 15 will have 15 days. 4 twos are will have 8. So 15 plus 8 gives you
Um, um, equals 23.
23, which gives you 2 odd days. So still like we have one more day pending. So we'll find that also. So it's 2 odd days. So this is one tweaking anyway. We'll find the other odd day also very soon. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's check in a short stuff. Yeah, I found that odd day. I found it. Okay. So here we did Jan, Feb, March, April, right? So Jan, Feb, March, April. So for April we decided one day. Yeah. Yeah. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
Jan it was 3, March it was 3, but for Feb we did 0. Actually Feb it's 1 because it's a leap year. Got it?
Okay.
So the number of odd days is 8 here, which when you divide by 7 you get 1 odd day,
Yeah.
which you have to add to that number of years. So you get like 3 odd days. So 3 odd days means what is the day? Do you remember that days? Like 0 for Sunday, 1 for Monday,
Wednesday.
2 for Tuesday, and
Wednesday.
3 for Wednesday. Yes. So this date, which is given in the question, is Wednesday. You operation success. Yeah, that's right. Whew. Wow, that was like wow, nice. Yeah. So we have found the answer correctly. So the date, like according to our format, is like 01, 04, 2020 is a Wednesday.